Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to the Valiant Air Command Warbird Museum. Really excited about this one. So come along with me and see what we can see. To give you an idea of about how far away this place is, I'm going to use the Villages, which is in Central Florida, to give you a little bit of a perspective. Now, as you see, it's a nice day trip. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Oh, by the way, some people have asked why I wear this hat. Am I a veteran? And yes, I am a veteran, but the reason why I wear this hat is it was my father's hat. So when I go around on my adventures, it's kind of like I'm bringing my father along with me. So that's why I almost always wear this hat. At the time of this video, the hours of operation, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And these are the rules. Standard rules for federal property. Once you walk through the door, you make a left into the gift shop, and that's where you buy your tickets. As you can see, the charges for adult is $20 each. Seniors 60 and older are $18. Students 13 to 18 is $10, and children 5 to 12 are $5. There are also some discounts that you may be able to get, military discount and such. So just ask at the counter when you go to pay. And they also give you a touring map. There is a little introductory speech at the beginning. I did not videotape that out of courtesy. This museum was started in 1977, according to our tour guide. And the aircraft are owned by 50 different people and organizations. There are still aircraft from the Army and the Air Force that are on their inventory that are here. Oh, wow. This is unique. I've never actually seen one in real life. Oh my goodness. Now, if you ever seen the movie or the TV show MASH, this is reminiscent of the type of helicopters you see on the show all the time. Pretty cool. In fact, MASH 4077. Awesome. Located just a few miles west of Kennedy Space Center at the Space Coast Regional Airport, the Valiant Air Command Inc. Warbird Museum offers a unique view of aviation history. Staffed and operated almost entirely by volunteers, the museum rivals the finest commercial and government aviation museums. At the time of our visit, exhibits include a tribute to the Women's Air Force Service pilots and the Flying Tigers and Tuskegee Airmen. Now, moving from the Memorial Hall to the main display hangar, one gets the feeling of moving through time. From there, visitors can walk to the Vietnam display hangar and the restoration hangar. And they are busy, hard at work, as you can see. Now, of course, don't forget to look outside. Although, be very... And this is a jammer, which is a bomb loader lift type of device. I remember many days driving this thing. Really cool that they have these. Now, a little secret is when we'd be on maneuvers and we have to do these MREs, meals ready to eat, people who drove the jammers, we always had hot meals, and people used to ask us how in the world we did that because we can't cook it. Everybody else had cold MREs. While this area, this thing lift up and it exposed the engine. And we just set our MREs on top of that. And by the time it was lunchtime, it was nice and warm. Now, the Valiant Air Command, Inc. and its Warbird Museum are recognized by the IRS as a publicly supported nonprofit educational tax-exempt corporation. In other words, 501c3. And the museum displays, maintains, and restores all types of aircraft that were used by world's armed forces, starting with World War I to the present. Now, each of the main hangars does have restrooms that are handicapped accessible. In fact, pretty much the whole area is handicapped accessible. And they even have extra wheelchairs if you need them. And in the back of the hangar, don't forget to go into the new Vietnam memorabilia. Tim Tracker. And don't forget to sign the guest registry before you leave. Well, thank you for coming along with me to the Warbird Museum. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it. And as always, have a great day.